Let's learn how to log out Facebook on other device. So you may want to do this if you suspect that your account is hacked, or your password got leaked somewhere and you've seen that unknown device logged into your Facebook account, or any other reason. Don't worry, I will show you how you can do this. Just follow my steps and stay until the end of video. So without wasting your time anymore, let us start now by opening your Facebook app. This method works on both iOS and Android devices, so it's the same for everyone. When you opened Facebook, search for this menu button with 3 horizontal lines in bottom right corner. It will lead you to a new screen now. From here, we will have to go to Settings. To do that, just tap this gear icon in top right corner, and it will open New Settings and Privacy page. Now we need to go to Account Center. To do this, tap this blue See More in Account Center button, which is in Meta section. Now this new half pop-up half page appeared, with bunch of stuff we don't need. What you need actually is this password and security option with shield icon. This will lead you to a new page where you will find this, where you are logged in option. Tap on there, and now it will redirect you to a list of your accounts. For the purpose of the video, I will go to this Facebook one, and now you will see new page, which says account login activity that will show you the list of every device that's logged on your account. To remove one or all of them, click on this red button at the end of page Select Devices to log out. After you do, that new page will appear with checkboxes near the devices. You can select all of them or just one. When you selected them, tap on this blue Logout button. Now again, pop-up window will appear. You will just have to confirm by tapping on this log outside once again, and you are finished. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.